Are you a diabetic looking for healthy morning drink options? Well, you're in the right place. Navigating the world of beverages can be tricky for diabetics, as the wrong choice can spike blood sugar levels. But don't worry, we've got your back. We're about to explore 5 fantastic morning drinks that are not only delicious, but also beneficial for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. These include green tea, black coffee, apple cider vinegar, almond milk, and water with lemon. Stay tuned as we dive into the first of our top 5 morning drinks for diabetics. First up, we have green tea. Green tea is a powerhouse of health benefits packed with antioxidants that work wonders for your overall well-being. One of the standout benefits is its ability to help regulate blood sugar levels, which is particularly beneficial for diabetics. You can savor it hot on a chilly morning or enjoy it iced during warmer days. Either way, it's a delightful beverage that can kickstart your day. Green tea is a great choice for a morning drink, but let's move on to our next option. Next on the list is black coffee. Now, you might be surprised, but when consumed in moderation, this robust brew can help reduce the risk of developing diabetes. The key here is moderation and simplicity. Keep your coffee black, avoid adding sugar or cream, and it can serve as a healthful addition to your morning routine. The bitterness may take some getting used to, but the potential benefits are absolutely worth it. Black coffee is a wonderful morning pick-me-up. Now let's check out our third drink. Our third drink is a bit unconventional but incredibly beneficial: apple cider vinegar. Yes, you heard that right. Apple cider vinegar is not just for your salad dressings anymore. It's a powerful addition to your morning routine, especially if you're looking to manage your blood sugar levels. Studies suggest that apple cider vinegar can notably improve insulin sensitivity. What does that mean? Well, it essentially helps your body to use insulin more effectively, which in turn can keep your blood sugar levels in check. Now you might be wondering how to consume it. It's simple. Dilute 1 to 2 tablespoons with a glass of water. This helps to mellow the strong taste. If you still find it a bit harsh, consider sweetening it with a pinch of stevia. It's a natural sweetener that won't spike your blood sugar levels. Remember, moderation is key. Too much of a good thing can become bad. Apple cider vinegar is a potent morning drink. Now let's move on to the fourth drink. Next, we have a dairy-free option: almond milk. This smooth, nutty beverage is an excellent choice for those who are watching their carb intake. Almond milk is inherently low in carbohydrates, meaning it won't significantly affect your blood sugar levels. But don't let its light nature fool you. It's also high in healthy fats, which can help to reduce heart disease risk. Plus, it's a fantastic source of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant. You can enjoy almond milk in a variety of ways. Blend it into your morning smoothie for a creamy texture, or simply savor it on its own. It's also a great substitute for cow's milk in your morning cereal or oatmeal. Almond milk is a versatile and healthy option. Lastly, let's look at our final drink. Finally, we have the simplest but most vital drink: water with a squeeze of lemon. Hydration is not just a health buzzword, it's a fundamental part of our well-being. For those managing their blood sugar levels, staying hydrated is especially important. Water helps your kidneys flush out the excess blood sugar through urine. Now let's add a twist to it, literally. A squeeze of lemon not only gives the water a refreshing taste but also aids in digestion. The citric acid in lemon juice can help the stomach break down food, allowing for better absorption of nutrients. So, whether you prefer green tea, black coffee, apple cider vinegar, almond milk, or water with lemon, you have plenty of options for a healthy morning drink. Remember, managing diabetes involves making healthy choices consistently. Cheers to your health.